Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete send messages from Facebook Messenger 2025. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to delete send messages from Facebook Messenger. First, you need to go to Facebook Messenger and check the person that you have chat with and you want to delete the messages. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, now for example, I want to delete this message. Click the three dots and then click unsend. Now you have two options, unsend for everyone and unsend for you. Unsend for everyone, this message will be unsent for everyone in the chat. Unsend for you, this message will be removed for you. Now for example, if I choose unsend for you and after that click remove. Yeah, now it's done. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to delete send messages from Facebook Messenger. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.